Now it is confirmed that the death of a 7-year-old boy Sarim, whose body was found in an underground water tank of the high-rise building he lived in 11 days after his disappearance, is a murder case. The post-mortem report confirmed that he was subjected to a sexual assault before being killed. On January 7th, Mohammed Sarim had gone to a madressah on the premises of the same apartment he lived in but did not return. On January 18th, he was found dead in the underground water tank of the same complex. The medico-legal officer Dr. Ghazanfar Shaheryar of the Abbasi Shaheed Hospital stated in his report that the victim had suffered 12 different injuries, wounds on various parts of the body, and all are ante-mortem prior to death, except one injury, number 4. The police officer informed that a teacher of the seminary where the victim studied was already in custody of the police and his DNA samples were being taken for cross-matching with the samples of the victim boy.